Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill, great to be with you, coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Well, rainy skies for the last almost 2 days, storming, and we're getting this done early today just in case the internet goes out. Traders, I have to tell you, no tie today. It's my birthday. I made 57 today, so I thought I'd spend some time with you all and talk about Forex before I start my day of events. It's quite a full-packed day today. Friends and all have definitely put my calendar to a test today. I will be going to lunch and then dinner and then cocktail party after that, so it's going to be a full day. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on data-wise today, as we do have some news coming out, better than yesterday, that's for sure. All right, so what's going on? We had Westpac Consumer Sentiment came out, no expectations, and I don't know how it came out. Let's see, what do we got going on? In the Eurozone, Great British Pound has average earnings index bonus today. Also, unemployment rate coming out of the pound. Also, climate count change today. Out of the euro, we got industrial production month on month. OPEC monthly report out of the United States today. And as we get further down, we have Fed Chair Yellen testifies today. Well, that'll ruin the U.S. session, unless she says something like crazy and we get some movement in the markets. Crude crushing oil inventories, as always, crude oil inventories, BOC interest rate decision today, and monetary policy report today. And we end with Canada's Bank of Canada Politz speaks today at the end of the New York session. So let's see what happened. Gold is up 0.25% at $1,217.78. Crude WTI is at 45.72. Brent is itching its way back up there at 48.12. Natural gas is down 0.07%. U.S. cotton is up 0.45%, and U.S. coffee is down negative 1.48%. Let's take a look at our indices today. S&P futures up 0.04%. NASDAQ futures up just flat. Zeros across the board. Dow 30 also flat across the board. S&P VIX down 1.98%. DAX down 0.07%. Nikkei 225 down 0.34%. Dollar index down 0.07%, hovering at that 95.42 level. Still cannot get above that 96 and 97 level. Euro index is up 0.02%. All right, that's what's going on, my friends. Let's take a look at some charts. Let's just take a look at the euro. Not that I'm looking to do anything here. It's made a nice move to the upside. Basically, all this is now negated, and it is over. We'll get that out of there, and that is old news. Just did not work out, so we'll start fresh. You know, this is up at support here. It's at 1.1474.75 area. You know, just looks to me to be an absolutely great place to sell this. I gonna do a little bit of more homework on this and see what's gonna happen here. But I'm bearish in the euro dollar. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not doing anything now, folks. Look at these exponential moving averages. Angle separation up to the upside. You know, this doesn't look like this wants to come down right now. If we are going to take a sell trade, we definitely want the 5 exponential moving average on top of price, preferably even the 20. And we'll handle the 200 exponential moving average when we get there. But right at the moment, it looks like a great sell opportunity. We're just going to hang out and wait and see what happens. All right, let's take a look at today's pair. I'm looking at the pound. So the pound, you know, this had a really nice move to the downside. Now I'd like to see this come back up, you know, to this 50% level at 1.2880. Where are you going to put your stop? That's the problem with this, is now your stop's got to go like 1.2910, 20, or 30. Got to give this some room here. But, you know, at least 2910 above that 200 exponential moving average. So we want to see this pull back to the 50 and take it back down. Now, folks, this is not a big trade, right? This is not a big trade at all. And we're risking almost 25 to 30 pips in a drawdown for a 50 pip trade. So just got to be a little careful and just watch this really closely. Just let's make sure our entry is correct. You know, in this summer markets, you just got to make sure your entries are spot on, right? Make sure your entries are spot on. So that's what's going on with the pound. I mean, yeah, the pound, and we just looking to sell it, right? I think it's a good opportunity to sell this. All right. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. This was our trade setup that we had from earlier in the week. And look at this. Here we go. We are in our spot to take this. This is, remember, we were going to take it from here and, you know, but we're in this wide open space. We broke below this 200. You know, you could have gotten in here a couple of times. This little red, blue, red here, this formation here, really was your opportunity to get in. You could have put your stop right above the 20 exponential moving average, which is this red line here, and taken this to the downside. And at least at this level, you would have been to break even, and now this to the rest of the way down is a free trade. However, this looks pretty interesting. I do like this to the downside. But, you know, I am bullish on the dollar. I don't think the dollar is going to be sleeping long. It's going to come back. But this trade opportunity looks really well here on the dollar yen to take this to the downside. Again, we got good angle and separation. Look at this 20 exponential moving average, the 5 exponential moving average right on top of price, right in an area that's really a great opportunity to sell this. So probably in the next half hour after I start my upload, I might consider doubling on this one and getting in there. All right, let's take a look at the euro yen. I like this. We got some indecision candles here, but it's a 30-minute chart. But we do have indecision candles here. We have indecision candles up here. This might be a nice sell opportunity. Might be a nice sell opportunity on the euro yen. So we'll just keep an eye on. I don't have anything planned for this at the moment, so we'll just let it be. But definitely something to watch for. Last one for the day. We'll take a look at the Aussie. Here's another pair that's just ready to sell. It's at, you know, it's at resistance. You know, again, indecision candles, right? That's what you want to see. Some indecision candles showing that the bulls are getting weak. We're in Asia, so this is the Aussie's time to shine, and it's not doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. So we'll just leave it alone. Okay. All right, traders, that's it for me. That's what's going on in the currency pairs. You know, rainy, stormy day in Thailand. Yep. Made it to 57. Hopefully I'll make it to 58. And a big day of events for me today. My friends and loved ones have definitely planned my day full and fun. So we'll see you tomorrow and have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart and not hard. And catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.